marketplace page. We need marketplace page to add payment with Stripe. I'm gonna explain you right now the difference between Stripe payment and Revenue Cat. We use Stripe payment when we want to pay for services or some items, physical items. Revenue Cat we use when we want to make a subscription, monthly, 6-month subscription or yearly subscription. For the Stripe, I want to build very quickly a page where we can easily sell some items, and for our project we're gonna sell merchandise of our app. I got this image from the web, just googled it. There are gonna be different types of t-shirts. So how we're gonna sell it? So buy our t-shirt. It's gonna be like title 3. Choose your favorite color, and in a row we can we can place colors that we are selling. So for example, if we take a container, give the height like 30 and it's gonna be like 50, and let's just use primary color, give it some design like border radius 12, and what I want to do here, we're gonna make this container reusable. So we're gonna make it as a component, container color, because I don't want I don't want to like just always stay here and change like colors, designs and so on. So we're gonna use one container and give him a parameter color, and here's parameter color. So default parameter value is gonna be, let it be black. Confirm. We choose that container here. Okay, if you don't see it, it's like here. And in fill color we set a variable. Here we got a parameter color, and we go to that page. So right now we see like same colors, right? And for each container we can give different colors. Okay, so by clicking on each container, we want to say to the page that we have chosen this kind of color. Each page it has like local page state variable where you can add for example color of t-shirt, and type is gonna be color. Initial value, let it be black. Confirm. So if we click on this container, let's give it an action. Find update page state, set fields, color, and set value. Value is gonna be primary. So let's copy this one and give the same action to each container. But change the color. Secondary. And also we need to add a price for that t-shirt. Let it be 29.99 US dollars, and add a button, buy now. Take this button, add an action to the button. Let's find Stripe payment. Here it is. It's done. And we go to the settings and Stripe. So here we can enable Stripe. Ease production is off. Your publishable key, secret key, everything is in your Stripe. So in developers settings, turn on the test mode. API keys. Here we got like publishable key and secret key. It's a test mode, so just place your publishable key here and your secret key. Merchant display name is gonna be tour match, country code US. So we place our publishable key and secret key, then we go to the setting, to the errors. Here is asking for a Stripe action. We go here. So amount 29.99 USD. Customer email is gonna be authenticated user email. Customer name, same authenticated user display name. Description of the item is gonna be like the t-shirt. We can allow Google Pay and Apple Pay here. Payment sheet theme, it's like light theme or dark theme. Let's give system default. Primary button color is primary, and button text color is white. Here we got an error that's saying that we need Apple Pay. We need to specify the Apple merchant ID. We need to turn off our Apple Pay because we don't have Apple merchant ID at the moment.